welcome. My name is Shay from dreamhomebasedwork.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content posted on this channel. Are you looking for a work from home job that allows you to work from anywhere in the world, but don't have any work experience? Don't worry, there are plenty of companies that offer no experience worldwide remote jobs. Here are some of the top companies that offer these opportunities. The first company that you can check out is VipKid. VipKid is a company that specializes in online English language tutoring for children in China. They offer no experience worldwide remote tutoring jobs as an English teacher. According to a report by Glassdoor.com, the average hourly pay for VipKid English teacher is around $20 per hour. Here is a quick look into VipKid's official website. You will be able to learn more about being able to tutor online, offer one-on-one tutoring sessions for kids between the ages of 4 and 15. The next worldwide remote job is with a company called QKids. QKids is a company that also specializes in online English language tutoring for children in China. They offer no experience worldwide remote jobs as an English teacher. Now, according to a report by Glassdoor.com, the average hourly pay for a QKids English teacher is around $16 per hour. Let's take a quick look at QKids' official website. They are partnered with major sites like Star Publishing, National Geographic, Sterling Tutoring Company. This website has been around for many years and is a trusted site for online tutoring jobs. Another site that you guys can check out is Lionbridge. Lionbridge is a company that specializes in language translation, AI training data, and localization services. They offer no experience worldwide remote jobs such as an internet assessor, as well as a social media evaluator. According to a report by Glassdoor.com, the average hourly pay for a Lionbridge internet assessor is around $14 per hour. You can expect most of these positions to be part-time, as well as with a quick look at Lionbridge careers page. You can be able to go on and scroll through the current job openings. What I'm going to do is just click the learn more button, and to find the remote jobs, I like to type in the keyword remote in their search box here. So once you start searching for jobs, you'll see on the right hand side where it says location anywhere. Those are normally the work from anywhere in the world positions. So definitely check out Lionbridge for online jobs. Flexible hours. The next company that I want you guys to check out is Appen. Appen is a company that specializes in data annotation, linguistic services, and machine learning. They offer no experience worldwide remote jobs such as a social media evaluator, as well as a web search evaluator. According to a report by Glassdoor.com, the average hourly pay for an Appen social media evaluator is around $13 per hour. Here is Appen's official website. You can be able to go on, as they state right here on the main page. You can work from anywhere in the world, so you will need to create an account first. Once you create an account, you can automatically start searching for jobs available. So definitely check out this website for worldwide remote jobs. The last company that is so popular for offering worldwide remote jobs is Rev. Rev is a company that specializes in transcription, captioning, as well as translation services. So most of these jobs are typing jobs, or either you are just translating languages. So these jobs are mostly non-phone. You don't have to worry about being on the phone with customers. You will find jobs at Rev such as a transcriptionist as well as a captioner. And you can expect to make, according to Glassdoor.com, around $12 per hour as a Rev transcriptionist. Here is Rev's official webpage. They have a new design now. They've been around for many years and they have changed their website layout many times, but they make it very simple. This is a very easy to read, website layout for you guys that want to get started. This website does pay weekly, so it is really simple to go on, get started. This site also offers really flexible hours and you can work from anywhere in the world. These opportunities allow you to work from home from anywhere as long as you have strong internet connection. So if you're a person that would love to travel around the world and work at the same time, be sure to check out all of these companies and start your job search today. I'll be back this week with another work from home video. Take care, guys. If you've been having a problem landing a work from home job, then you should definitely update and optimize your resume. My new resume template bundle comes with templates that are already formatted and written out. They come with examples, so you would just simply swap out the information with your own. This bundle comes with 2 resume templates, cover letters, reference letter, as well as a thank you letter. I made sure to tailor these templates for beginners as well as those that have experience. Now, I'm sure many of you guys are wondering, why is my resume so important? It really does strengthen your chances of landing a remote job. So it was really important for me to make sure it was ready to be scanned through a hiring software called the Applicant Tracking System, better known as the ATS, which is a system that a lot of these companies are using to scan your resume and pick the next candidate for the job. So this bundle is only $19. Make sure you grab it today. It will definitely help you stand out among everyone else and land more remote jobs.